Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, At Home with Willowberry. Or if you're new, welcome. But where have you been? I'm so happy to see you here. My name is Valerie, and in today's video, we're laying down subfloors in my oldest son's bedroom, and we're ripping out the ceiling. So if you're interested, I hope you'll stick around and enjoy the video. How are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing great. We've taken a break from working on Granny's room and have moved into our oldest son's room where we need to lay down more subfloors. But before we can lay down more floors, Tim needs to fix the air vent. The vent opening was damaged, so the HVAC technicians who installed our air conditioner built us a new register. So Tim is fixing that, and once he's finished, he'll then be ready to measure the vent opening on the OSB board. Tim did a really good job repairing the air vent. It was a mangled up mess before, but now it looks brand new. So now he's going to go ahead and measure the vent opening for the OSB board. So far, Tim has repaired the vent and he measured and marked the vent opening on the flooring. But before we can lay the subfloor, we need to measure and cut some 1x4 boards that will be screwed down to the floor joists. This will provide more surface area to screw the subfloor into for a strong, sturdy floor. The OSB boards that we're using have a tongue and groove so that the boards will lock together for a tighter fit. But in this case, Tim is cutting off the tongue so that the next board will fall into place easier without damaging the new vent that he just repaired. Alright y'all, we're almost ready to lay down this board. Just one more step to go. Tim is cutting out the vent opening and then we will lay the board in place to check the fit. If it fits properly, then we will apply an adhesive to the floor joist and screw the board into place. When we moved into this double-wide mobile home fixer-upper and we started our renovations, I had just one major request. I wanted to make sure that we had strong, sturdy floors that would last a lifetime. And if not a lifetime, at least for many years to come. And Tim is doing a really good job of fulfilling that request. We finished the subfloors in the addition, which is where Granny and our youngest son's rooms are. And now we're almost finished in my oldest son's room. Tim just needs to measure and cut the board that will go in the doorway. You know the saying, measure twice, cut once? Well, Tim likes to measure 3 or 4 times before cutting, which I'm very thankful for, because so far every board has fit perfectly. Alright, so Tim is going to go ahead and get this board measured and cut so that we can go get it laid into place. It's almost a perfect fit. Tim just needs to clean up around the edges of the wall so that the board will fit flush. So he's using his multi-tool to cut away the rough edges at the base of the wall, and he also needs to remove the last piece of wood paneling. Today's video is all about finishing the subfloor and tearing down the ceiling. We're getting real close to being able to start hanging the drywall. In our next video, we will be rebuilding the doorway. We plan to make all the doorways larger. The current doorways are only 24 inches, but we plan to expand them to fit 30-inch doors. But I'm getting ahead of myself. First, we need to finish these floors. It's a perfect fit, y'all. A nice, strong, solid floor. I couldn't be happier. Well, except I can't wait to install the finished flooring, but that's still quite a ways down the road. But I'm very happy with the subfloor. It's strong and sturdy, and I don't have to worry about falling through the floor anymore. Alright, well now we just need to get it screwed into place. We have one more small section of subflooring to install here in this bedroom, but we have to wait until we finish the plumbing for the shower that is adjacent to the bedroom. But that won't take long at all. We're getting there, y'all. Slow and steady wins the race. We certainly don't want to rush and make stupid mistakes. Alright, next step is to pull down the ceiling.
such a goofball, making me think I was doing something wrong. Well, I started to pull down the ceiling. I got it started, but I'm going to get my son to finish pulling it down. At this rate, it will probably take me a couple of hours to pull it down, but I know my strong son will make quick work of it, and the sooner we finish the work, the sooner he gets to move into his new room. Well, y'all, that's about it for another video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope to see you back here for my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Y'all have a great day. Bye.